Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2019 Lexus GX 460 Luxury. This vehicle has a 4.6 liter V8 with 301 horsepower, 329 pound-feet of torque. We also have a 6-speed automatic transmission. Put it in reverse and you have a backup camera. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel with wood. Black leather interior. Let's look at the center console storage. There you go, a lot of storage in there. And you have your ventilated and heated seats in this car. You also have built-in navigation. Let's walk around this Lexus. It's a gray exterior. LED daytime running lights, but it looks like you have a halogen. You also have a halogen, what do you call it, projector, and you also have some regular LED bulbs. Here are the rear seats. You have heated rear seats, which is nice. Sunroof up there. Seats feel pretty comfortable back here, and I have decent legroom. I'm 6'1", and I can fit back here pretty comfortably, even with the seat a little bit back. Clear taillights. And here is the trunk with one of the third row seats up. With the third row up, you don't have a lot of room. I didn't even realize this was the 3-row until now, actually. This one's pretty nice, only has 52,000 miles. You know, these GXs are, you know, built to last forever basically. You just have to take care of them, maintain it properly. And they're nice vehicles to off-road with too. Nothing like the sound of a big old V8. Lexus V8s tend to sound really, really good. Honestly, all V8s sound really good, but Lexus does a good job with V8s. Sound fantastic. But yeah, the 301 horsepower figure is decent, but this this isn't really like a speed demon or anything. Despite having V8 and all that, it has okay acceleration. Does what you need it to, but man, does it sound nice when you put your foot down. Blind spots are pretty good. You have great visibility in this car. B-pillar's pretty small, so you don't have like obstructed view or anything. And it's really smooth and comfortable. Seats feel great. Ride is comfortable in this car too. And yeah, it's a nice quality interior. Like, as I said, Lexuses are built well, especially these. It's like a very old interior in here. Like, this interior design was out for a really long time, but you know, it lasts for that's because it's built to last. This is definitely a utility vehicle, which is comfortable at the same time. That's what I like about these. It's a simple formula, right? Nothing too over the top, and it's a good car. But overall, this is a nice Lexus GX 460. But before we conclude the video, let's just look through the infotainment a little bit, mess around with some of the stuff in this car. Oh, you also have a heated steering wheel. I didn't see that. That's a nice touch for sure. Let's look at the sunroof. Overall, nice driving Lexus GX 460. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice pre-owned vehicles like this Lexus.